Okay, Angela, after walking around your car together, everything looks to be in good shape, but we did notice that your tires are in the red at 330 seconds, which makes them a critical safety concern. Even more importantly, your stopping ability is declining because of the lack of tread. How long have you had these current tires?
Well, let's see. I've had this car about 5 years now, and those are the original tires.
5 years on a set of tires is a pretty good run, and you did a great job maintaining them. Plus, they lasted 62,000 miles, which is awesome. Were you happy with the ride of your current tires?
They were all right, but I'd like to have some more options.
Okay, great. I'm going to do some research on your car and get some estimates together on some new tire options for you. This way you can compare benefits and make the best decision. I want to make sure that you are completely satisfied with your service today and have the best ride possible for your real estate clients.
Thank you, Chris. I appreciate your help.